Hi and welcome back, English learners. In today's lesson, we'll discover 50 more powerful English words you must know to speak confidently and sound natural in conversations. I'll explain each word, show you when to use it, and give you clear examples. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends who are also learning English. Let's grow together and make your English stronger every day. Alright, let's begin. Use ability to describe the skill or power to do something. It can be natural talent or something learned through practice. Example 1. She has the ability to speak 3 languages. Example 2. His ability to solve problems is impressive. Use achieve when someone successfully reaches a goal or completes something after effort. Example 1. She worked hard to achieve her dream. Example 2. We can achieve success with teamwork. Use admire when you respect, appreciate, or look up to someone or something. Example 1. I admire her dedication to her studies. Example 2. Many people admire great leaders. Use ambitious to describe someone who has strong goals and a desire to succeed or improve. Example 1. He is very ambitious in his career. Example 2. Ambitious students often achieve high results. Use approve when you officially agree to something or say it is good or acceptable. Example 1. The manager approved my request for leave. Example 2. Parents may not approve of that behavior. Use argue when people disagree and express different opinions, sometimes loudly or emotionally. Example 2. Parents may not approve of that behavior. Example 2. It's not good to argue with your teacher. Use assist when you help or support someone in doing something. Example 1. The nurse will assist the doctor during surgery. Example 2. Can you assist me with this project? Use attitude to describe a person's way of thinking, feeling, or behaving towards something or someone. Example 1. She has a positive attitude toward life. Example 2. His bad attitude made the team upset. Use balance to describe a state of stability or equality, either physically or in life. Example 1. He lost his balance and fell. Example 2. You need a balance between work and rest. Use believe when you accept something as true, trust someone, or have faith in an idea. Example 1. I believe in your abilities. Example 2. She believes that honesty is important. Use brave to describe someone who faces danger, fear, or difficulties with courage. Example 1. The firefighter was very brave. Example 2. She made a brave decision to speak up. Use celebrate when people honor a special day, event, or success with activities or joy. Example 1. We will celebrate her birthday tomorrow. Example 2. They celebrated their victory with a big party. Use challenge to describe a difficult task, situation, or competition that tests ability or strength. Example 1. Learning English can be a challenge. Example 2. He accepted the challenge of climbing the mountain. Use comfort to describe a state of physical ease, or words, actions that make someone feel better emotionally. Example 1. The chair is very comfortable to sit in. Example 2. She gave him comfort after his loss. Use confuse when something makes someone unable to understand clearly. Example 1. The instructions confused me. Example 2. He often confuses the two words. Use connect when things or people are linked, joined, or brought together. Example 1. The internet connects people worldwide. Example 2. The bridge connects the two cities. Use consider when you think carefully before making a decision or forming an opinion. Example 1. Please consider my offer. Example 2. We must consider all the options. Use courage to describe the ability to face danger, fear, or pain with strength. Example 1. He showed great courage in battle. Example 2. It takes courage to try something new. Use create when you make something new or bring something into existence. Example 1. She loves to create art. Example 2. The company creates new products every year. Use decision to describe a choice made after thinking about different options. Example 1. It was a hard decision to make. Example 2. She made the decision to study abroad. Use delight to describe great joy, happiness, or something that pleases. Example 1. The children shouted with delight. Example 2. His music gives people delight. Use demand when someone strongly requests or requires something. Example 1. Workers demand better conditions. Example 2. This job demands a lot of energy. Use depend when something or someone relies on another for support or outcome. Example 1. Children depend on their parents. Example 2. Success depends on hard work. Use desire to describe a strong wish or feeling of wanting something. Example 1. She has a desire to travel the world. Example 2. Money cannot always satisfy human desires. Use destroy when something is completely ruined, broken, or damaged. Example 1. The storm destroyed the houses. Example 2. He destroyed the old documents. Use develop when something grows, improves, or becomes more advanced. Example 1. Children develop quickly. Example 2. The company is developing new technology. Use discover when you find or learn something for the first time. Example 1. Columbus discovered America. Example 2. She discovered a new hobby. Use educate when someone teaches or gives knowledge and skills. Example 1. Schools educate children for the future. Example 2. Parents must educate their kids about respect. Use encourage when you give someone hope, support, or confidence to do something. Example 1. Teachers encourage students to try harder. Example 2. His words encouraged me to continue. Use enjoy when you take pleasure in or like doing something. Example 1. I enjoy reading books. Example 2. They enjoyed the concert last night. Use equal to describe things that are the same in number, size, or importance. Example 1. All people should have equal rights. Example 2. To plus 2 equals 4. Use escape when someone gets away from a dangerous or unpleasant situation. Example 1. The prisoner escaped from jail. Example 2. Reading helps me escape from stress. Use expect when you believe something will happen or look forward to it. Example 1. I expect good results from the exam. Example 2. She is expecting a phone call. Use famous to describe someone or something that is well known by many people. Example 1. He is a famous singer. Example 2. Paris is famous for its culture. Use fear to describe a feeling of being afraid of something. Example 1. Many people have a fear of spiders. Example 2. She faced her fears with courage. Use focus when you concentrate your attention on something specific. Example 1. Focus on your studies. Example 2. The camera focused on her face. Use forgive when you stop feeling angry towards someone who did wrong. Example 1. She forgave him for the mistake. Example 2. It's important to forgive and move on. Use fortune to describe great wealth or luck. Example 1. He made a fortune in business. Example 2. It was pure fortune that we met. Use future to describe the time that has not yet come. Example 1. Nobody knows the future. Example 2. She is planning for her future. Use generations to describe groups of people born and living around the same time. Example 1. 3 generations live in that house. Example 2. Traditions are passed down through generations. Use habit to describe a regular practice or routine behavior. Example 1. Smoking is a bad habit. Example 2. Reading daily is a good habit. Use helpful to describe something or someone that makes it easier to do something or solve a problem. Example 1. The guide was very helpful. Example 2. This book is helpful for learning English. Use hope when you wish for something good to happen in the future. Example 1. I hope you succeed. Example 2. They hope for peace in the world. Use ignore when you pay no attention to something or someone. Example 1. Don't ignore your problems. Example 2. She ignored his advice. Use improve when something becomes better in quality, skill, or condition. Example 1. Her English improved after practice. Example 2. We must improve our health. Use increase when something grows in size, number, or amount. Example 1. Prices increased last year. Example 2. Exercise increases your energy. Use influence when someone or something affects another person's thoughts, behavior, or decisions. Example 1. Good teachers influence their students. Example 2. Media influences public opinion. Use journey to describe travel from one place to another, especially a long trip. Example 1. Their journey lasted 5 days. Example 2. Life is a journey, not a race. Use justice to describe fair treatment and giving people what they deserve. Example 1. The court fights for justice. Example 2. People want justice for all. Use kindness to describe the quality of being gentle, caring, and helpful to others. Example 1. A little kindness can change someone's day. Example 2. She is known for her kindness to animals.